Are you looking for a secure way to browse online? Today, we're comparing NordVPN and Proton VPN. Both tools aim to keep your internet connection safe and private. NordVPN is known for its strong security features. It offers a large network of servers around the world. This means you can connect from many different locations. It also has a user friendly interface, making it easy for anyone to use. Plus, NordVPN has features like double encryption and a kill switch for added safety. On the other hand, Proton VPN focuses on privacy. It was created by scientists and engineers from CERN. This tool is built to protect your data. Proton VPN has a free version, which is a great way to start. It also offers a unique feature called Secure Core, which routes your traffic through multiple servers. Now, let's look at the key differences. NordVPN has a bigger server network, while Proton VPN emphasizes privacy and transparency. If you want more server options, NordVPN is a solid choice. If privacy is your main concern, consider Proton VPN. When it comes to features, both have strong encryption. NordVPN has more advanced options, while Proton VPN shines in its free tier. If you're looking for a free option, Proton VPN is hard to beat. For a full experience, NordVPN may be better. In terms of pricing, NordVPN generally has affordable plans. Proton VPN offers a free version with limited features and paid plans that are also reasonable. So, which one should you choose? If you want a wide range of servers and extra features, go for NordVPN. If privacy and a free option are your top priorities, Proton VPN is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.